According to the passage, when did the boy begin to black out? A. Before he became tired. B. When he started running a temperature. C. After the nurse ran her fingers through his hair. Or D. After he began to lose control of his limbs. Let's begin by locating where in the text it discusses the boy blacking out. We see this in the second paragraph. The boy began to black out. Because our question is asking when this happened, we need more context. Looking at the previous sentence, we see that test after test was tried with no success whatsoever. Because this isn't offered as a choice, we need to look back even further. The first paragraph tells us that he had no fever, but there was an even more alarming symptom. He began to lose feeling and control of his limbs. Heading down to our choices, we can see that after he began to lose control of his limbs is offered as a choice. Because this occurs before the boy began to black out, which is what our question is asking, we can mark D, after he began to lose control of his limbs, as our final answer.